Hello, welcome to another Caketastic Cakes video. I'm going to show you today how to make Blaze from Minecraft. It's a flat to go on top of cupcakes. And don't forget, if you like, please subscribe. It strokes my ego. So yeah, there you go. All right, let's go. Here we go. I started with yellow and orange gum paste and I mixed them together, but as you can see, I just kind of marbled them. I didn't blend them all the way. That's to give it the fiery look that it has. I rolled it out about a 1/4 inch thick, and that is a 2-inch cookie cutter mold thing that I have to make it into a square. That's going to become the base of the face for our Blaze. And because of the way the cookie cutter is, it doesn't make real smooth edges. So what I'm doing is I'm dragging it along my cutting surface there to make each of the edges nice and smooth. And as you can see, I totally nailed it. All right, so you put it aside. Get out your black, roll it nice and thin, and we're going to make the eyes out of this. So you're going to want a real thin rectangle, a real long thin strip is all I'm going to cut, and then I'm going to cut 2 pieces out to make the rectangles for the eyes. And the Blaze's eyes are just black, so there's no white, and they're long. They're not squared like the chicken or the other animals where they're kind of squared. It's just long and thin, kind of like the zombies. And when you place the eyes with a little bit of water on your paintbrush, it goes almost halfway, but a little bit below. His eyes are set lower than the other creatures and mobs and things, so don't put them high. They have to be set pretty low. You could even do a little lower than that if you want. Get your 2 eyes in place, and then I'm using my knife blade to just make sure that they line up. All your edges in your Minecraft characters have to be as straight and edgy as you can make them in order for it to look really good. I'm taking what was the scraps from what I cut off there, kind of rolled it up, trying not to blend it too much. As you can see, it's starting to get a little more orangey looking. Rolling it out again about a 1/4 inch. Those are just a couple of free paint mixing sticks I got, so they work really good to keep distances even. Roll it out, and I'm going to make 4 rectangles out of this. The first one I'm going to make 2 out of this set right here. They're going to be longer, so you're going to see me cut this part right in half like that. These are like those the flame things that he has surrounding him all the time, kind of in lines around his body. Of course, I can't make them hover, so you just space them around and do what you can do to make it look cool. Just make it kind of choppy and uneven looking where you space them. Alright, so here you can see I just put one on the top corner, one on the bottom corner, and this piece I'm going to cut out more rectangles, 2 more rectangles. But these you're going to see are going to be smaller ones because the pieces that he has floating around him are different sizes. They're not all the same. So I'm cutting 2 more little ones, a little bit of water on a paintbrush. Place one kind of in the forehead, sort of in the middle there. Totally awesome cut job right there, right? I know, my editing skills are amazing. Place the other ones somewhere lower on the face. Like I said, just stagger them around. You don't have to do exactly where I did it. Just make sure you have them all going up and down. No side to sides here, guys. Place it, make sure your edges are nice and sharp. Thank you, knife. There you go. A little pat for luck. And that is it. Blaze is probably just as hard as the chicken. So yeah, nice and easy. He looks cool, he looks sharp. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe to find me again. Check out my other Minecraft videos and other characters. Thanks.